All right, so this is gonna be a really simple craft. I found these paint trays from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take my Shortcuts Krylon Gold Spray Paint, and I'm going to spray my plastic paint trays. And once they are fully dry, I'm going to take my Mod Podge, this is a Dimensional Magic, and I'm going to squirt it into the center of one of the trays. Now I have some fine glitter, and I'm just using a popsicle stick and some red fine glitter, and I'm going to put some in the center and stir it around to mix it in with the Dimensional Magic Mod Podge. And it will dry just like that. I'm then going to fill each section of the tray with the Dimensional Magic Mod Podge. And I'm going to take more fine glitter, and this I'm going to use silver. Now you can use any color glitters that you want. And you just want to put enough so that when you stir it around, it fills in each section of the paint tray. Now again, I got the paint trays right from the Dollar Tree. It was a pack of 6. And I believe I also saw them in a paw print as well. And I'm just going to go through the other 4 and just show you what I did with mine. Okay, so once I had all the ornaments complete, I allowed them to dry, and I did let them sit overnight. And you can, again, do these with any color glitter that matches your decor. I used some of the fake snow in these 2. And then in this one, I added some candy cane stickers. Now I had my leather hole puncher, and I'm just going to punch a hole at the top of each ornament, and I'm just taking the silver cord to make a hanger. And there you go. Now we have these very inexpensive, fun ornaments. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget, you can go on our webpage for our other tutorials. Have a great day.